I just got off work. I'm gonna ride down here and check on Dagan and TB. They've been dove hunting this evening. They went this morning. Tommy sent me some clips, so we'll put them clips in here. But he said they're flying pretty good. We'll go down here and see how many they kill.
Alright, guys and gals, this is Ole Bird Killa sitting in on for Zach. Got it two sure enough dove slayers down at the bottom of the hill. We're gonna try and call us up a couple of limits right here this morning. Y'all stay tuned. I'm self-filming on my shots, so it's gonna be hard. But I'm hitting. First dove come through this morning, I killed him. It's a scout bird, so they ought to start flooding in here in a minute, because he didn't get to warn them. He bit the dust. Y'all stay tuned, hang on, enjoy it. Zach, we miss you, buddy. On the way over here this morning, we had about 120-inch, 130-inch 8-point come up out of cornfield, out the ditch. And I'm talking about speared us in the side of the truck. He hit up front, the front quarter panel, bounced off and looked like we hit him in the back. Or he hit us. He got up, kind of shook it off, went on about his business. Hey, a dove just landed in a tree up here. I'm gonna kill him. After he flies, I don't shoot him on the ground or on the limb, but on the wing. Get ready. Well, old Zach, he got over on me again today. It's like he's always, just seems like he's just trying to see how much he can get over on a fella. He got him that free babysitting. His wife let her sleep in this morning. He went on to work. I should have known when he went to work that the doves wasn't gonna be here. And they ain't. We've seen probably 4 doves. Been here higher. Mosquitoes everywhere. Mosquitoes getting on me. But not too many doves. I killed that first scout bird right off the bat. And there's a bunch of doves up in these pine trees roosted. And I think they seen me tumblewheel that old dove. And they said they didn't care to run that gauntlet. They just not flying. We're gonna go back and look for the old buck here in a minute. Go get breakfast. I think I won. So I think them boys gonna have to split.
Don't look like much happened to me. Caught that horsefly. Alright. I went by the dove field after work, check on Dagan and Tommy. There wasn't much going on down there, wasn't much shooting. I think they killed 3 or 4. Got Dagan home and Mama called, so her starter came in for her Arctic cat. So I gotta work about the next 9 days straight, so I'm over here. Gotta change this starter out. So there it is right in there. So maybe it ain't gonna be too bad, maybe it'll fix it. We'll see. Alright, we got the new starter on. Got the battery cables hooked back up. We're gonna give it a try. Cross your fingers, say a prayer. She's about to worry me to death about this thing. Hey, I like it. Alright, we got this starter on. We're gonna go home and get ready for bed. Catch y'all next time.